Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seneca County, northwestern Marion County, Wyandotte County, western Crawford County, eastern Hancock County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from North Baltimore to near Findlay to near Chippewa Park, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Findlay, Marion, Tiffin, Fostoria, Bucyrus, Upper Sandusky, Forest, Arlington, Green Springs, New Washington, Bloomville, Sycamore, Little, Arcadia, Morrill, Van Loo, New Regal, Chatfield, Marcells, and Cary. Heat advisory.